Hey friends, you're watching BrainStorm Acres. I'm Henry. Irene's working to refine the edge of the bed. We need to make sure the concrete blocks fit in after I did the bulk of the moving. Today, we'll finish that and transplant some flowers from the greenhouse. Almost done.
Meh. I think I have another piece that will patch right in here because I want to get this right up to this.
Yep.
I don't have to worry about anything sneaking through anywhere. Okay, there's one that's done. And all I'm doing is I'm hooking it around, twisting a bit. This is not the easiest way to do it. I actually prefer to use the heavier wire and just make a loop every few inches. But I'm almost out of it, so I'm sort of saving this. So what I essentially do here is sew the stuff. And it's a little bit of a pain because you have to get that end kind of hooked up. And then what I do is I grab it with the needle nose pliers. And I can kind of sew it like that. And I'm actually doing as if I was actually sewing it. It's more time consuming than just using loops and twists. But like I say, when you're out of the right kind of wire, this'll hold just as well. It just takes longer. Okay, he went and hid again. There's been a skink over here. There he is. He's shy. All morning. Saying hi to me, which is great, except I don't want to kneel on him. Okay. There you are. There's a couple of them around here so big that you think they're a snake at first. There's his cousin. Woo! Whew, toasty. Still have enough water in here. Love those flowers. Oh, okay. Calendula. I'm leaking.
The last of the armoring.
Yes, in this section here, this means this whole section will be completely done, and I can stabilize this part of the bed. I have some sad flowers in the greenhouse that really just are done being in the greenhouse. They need to be fertilized. So I think I'll see about trying to plant some of them in here. They're mostly zinnias. There's not a lot of room in here, but I should be able to pack a few zinnias in here. Have it look pretty good.
Well, while you're doing that, I think I'm going to go ahead and mix up some of the soil with some of the compost.
Okay. That sounds like a plan. Going out to the greenhouse to do the afternoon check to make sure that we're still wet enough. Whew, toasty. Definitely toasty in here. Oh, flowers done blooming now for the day. Darn. These are doing pretty good though. Starting to bloom a little bit. I'm gonna try and get these out the next couple of days. Okay, let's put water on some stuff. I come through about four or five times a day and put a little bit of water right around the edges on these guys. And I'm trying to keep them extra damp because we're getting those sprouted. Those are my rooted rather. Those are my sweet potatoes. Yep. These guys are fine. I need to put some more water on a couple of things. Check the trays. And it's a little drier than I prefer. These up here. Tomatoes. More water in the tomatoes. Oh, definitely more water in these tomatoes. Okay. Heating here, running 2 barrels at once so I can finish quicker. These are calendulas, aren't they beautiful? I did not realize that this pack of calendulas actually had more than one color in them. I was thrilled to see that they're actually 2 different colors. I'm used to having, I think my old ones are about that color, but I'm getting more than one color here, and well, I'm happy. Okay. Throw the last of the water on the cabbages. That is a happy cabbage. Lots of progress on the beds. I obviously have to straighten that out. That is not an optical illusion. The last 2 blocks are crooked.